Okay, so Parallax is a group of people that have come together and are developing energy chains from the reservoir right through to the customer. We're principally focused on LNG, on the development of new LNG projects, but we are also looking at midstream, marketing and optimization in the North American markets, and of course, upstream opportunities themselves, in which we've already made some tentative investments. So really, right across the energy chain, Parallax will be operating as an integrated energy player. So look, what we think matters are two key things. Firstly, the cost of supply. Never more in this industry has cost mattered more than it does today in an oil price environment of less than $50, in an environment where the price of oil has halved in just a few months. So the cost of manufacture of LNG is going to be absolutely crucial going forward. And secondly, and perhaps sometimes ignored by the industry, what our customers want. We're listening to our customers. We're listening to what they want. As I sit here today, talking to you, we have customers in our conference room, and they're talking to us about what they need for their markets in this low oil price environment. That's the other thing that matters to us. So when we set up Parallax, we thought about what would underpin investments we wanted to make in the energy environment, in the energy industry. The first thing that we thought very deeply about was US gas prices. We're in the biggest, deepest, most liquid gas market in the world. But yet, at a time when most people believe that US gas prices are stable for a very long period of time, and that for as far as we can see, we're going to have gas prices at below $4, we fundamentally do not believe that US gas prices are going to be stable or necessarily at low price for the long term. We anticipate that with increased demand, and we're going to see significant increased demand in the US by the year 2020, particularly with LNG exports. We see the potential for increased prices, but most importantly, we see the increased potential for volatility, which is the rapid movement between high prices and low prices in the environment. So, the lack of stability of US gas prices is our first premise or investment theme. The second is that we are seeing diseconomies of scale in the LNG manufacturing process. We no longer believe that bigger is better, that by increasing the size of trains, one necessarily reduces the absolute cost of liquefaction. So we believe that mid-scale, 2 to 4 million tons liquefaction projects are about the most optimal for this environment. And in addition to that, back to my earlier point, the customers want smaller parcels of LNG. So the diseconomies of scale combined with the customer needs, speed to market, cost of supply, seems to us to point to mid-scale, i.e. much smaller than the mega trains that we've seen, as being the key to the future. Now, the third thing that we have noticed is, and observed, I suppose, over a period of time, is that there is increasingly LNG shipping tonnage which has been stranded. It's been stranded because it's no longer efficient. It's been replaced by more efficient engines, by better boil-off and containment systems, by better engine design, by better hull design, and so on. And we see that as these older ships come onto the market, they offer a real opportunity as storage. Storage is an expensive part of the LNG value chain, and this storage is available at much lower capital costs and is something that can be deployed alongside either land-based or indeed barge-based liquefaction. So we see a great opportunity in the market going forward to use stranded LNG tonnage. So our fourth thesis revolves around E&P, exploration and production, and the returns available in the market here in the US. Now, the prevailing oil price today is around $50. It used to be $100. But even at $50, we see great opportunities to make money in conventional, in unconventional, onshore, offshore, in recovery projects, steam flood, and so on. The opportunities exist today in this commodity environment to make money. And of course, as the price rebounds to whatever level it's going to rebound to, we're going to see those returns improved and create additional wealth for our investors. And finally, execution and experience matter. There is no substitute for experience. And in Parallax, we have a collective experience of 125 years of LNG years behind us. But not just the experience, the ability to execute projects, the ability to deliver those low-cost projects on time, on budget, the ability to deliver sub-$400 per installed ton projects, which is really what we're aiming to do in this marketplace today with our new projects. These matter. The industry has a poor track record of late of executing projects, large and small, and clearly the experience we've assembled together in Parallax is going to help us to deliver our projects in a manner which we would expect. So we've assembled, as I've said, an enormous amount of LNG experience, but we've also assembled a huge amount of experience right across the energy chain. We've got experience in E&P, we've got an experience in midstream, we have experience in LNG, as we've said, but we've got people of different disciplines. We've got people with commercial skills, with technical skills, with shipping skills, engineering skills, pure economic skills. We've got a whole range of skills to bring to bear, and of course a great team around us to support us and allow us to deliver this business. Well, you will have seen of late the announcement of our Live Oak LNG project, and we are so excited now to have the support of the Louisiana state, and in particular of Bobby Jindal, the governor of Louisiana, for this exciting project. It's a small, mid-scale project, as I've talked about. It's designed to be low cost. It's designed to meet the needs of our customers. It's located in Louisiana, a place where I have a deep and fond experience of doing business. I can't tell you how excited we are to be working in Louisiana once again. I had a great experience there the first time, and we found it a great place to do business. Live Oak is going to be a great Louisiana project. But of course, it doesn't stop there. We've got additional plans, some of which I can tell you about, some of which I can't. But what I can tell you is the name of our next project, which we're equally excited about, which is called Moss Lake LNG. You heard it first here. I can't wait to tell you about it, but that's going to have to wait till our next talking head. So we would encourage you to continue to look at our website. We will refresh the content. We're starting straight away by publishing our daily commodity note. It's only one page. It tells you all you need to know on three prices: Brent, WTI, and natural gas in North America, and one or two very simple points as to why commodities moving up or down or staying the same. We will be publishing something called Parallax Points, which will be a thought piece from one of the Parallax members. Once a month, we'll be picking a range of different themes and putting something down which we think matters and has our opinion on this particular subject in the energy field. And finally, we will publish all of the material we use in conferences, that we use to support other documentation. So please look at our website. You can register and have this stuff notified to you once it's published on the website. And, please get in touch. If you want to talk to us about something, we're here. Our telephone number, our email is on the website. Reach out to us. You can go on two of our websites. The first of those is Parallax Energy, so www.parallaxenergy.com. You can go to our first project website, which is www.liveoaklng.com, or you can telephone us. Our telephone number is 832-962-4000. We will return your calls, and we'd love to be in touch with you.